Hello and welcome back to another HTML video. So today we'll be talking about how to add an image to your HTML file. So let's quickly create a HTML file. Let's call this one image.html. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so quickly let's add a skeleton. All right, let's call this images in HTML. Okay, so let's come to our body. So before you add any image, first of all you have to import it to your folder. Okay, you have to go to your file explorer. Maybe you've downloaded the image or wherever you got it from, or maybe the person you're building a website for have snapped the image and sent to you. You import it from your file explorer to your folder, your project folder. So let me do mine quickly. So I just imported this Cristiano Ronaldo image I have in my file explorer. Let me just change the name. Let me rename it because there's a whole lot of things going on with that name. Let me call it cr7.jpg. It's already there. So that's that. To add an image to your HTML file, let's type something first in this body. So I just typed a little something that said in a paragraph, this is the greatest football player in the world, just for example, and I want to add this Cristiano Ronaldo image to it. What I will simply do is to come here and just type in img, that's for image, enter, and then what is the name of the file? cr7.jpg. just type it in there. cr7, it's already there. So what this look at that, what this alt does is that it's just something you do so that in case something goes wrong with your, let's say your image, there's a problem with its loading, it will display this alternative. So let's just say cr7 picture or something. Let's just type it there. So let me say, for example, I made a mistake with this link, this image link. Okay, look at that. This is exactly what this alt alternative does. So because there was a mistake with the image link, it will display the alternative, so you know that, oh, this is cr7 image that was supposed to display, but perhaps something happened and it didn't display. So let's just do this exactly. Now quickly, there's how you can resize this, obviously using width and height. Let's come here and type in width. It's already there. Let's say, for example, okay, let me just show you something. If I say 200, look, you can see it's smaller. Okay, let's say I want to make it 100. Look at that. Wow, so small. So that's that, but let's just leave it at 200. You can as well handle this in CSS, but we have not gotten to CSS yet, so that's why we're doing this here. You can also say height. I don't know, you might do something with height and say 200. That's to make it square. 200. Yes, so this is exactly what the square looks like if I want it to be like this. But it's not looking very good. I might just say 200x 400 something. So this is exactly what to display. Okay, and is there any other thing we need to talk about in, look at how distorted it looked when I clicked 40. So that is why you don't make mistake with this height and width if you don't want your image looking messy as fuck. Okay, so I hope you've learned something. We're going to stop this video here today because we have another video to do. So please like and subscribe, also share so that you follow us.